How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another trade recap. We took another win today. I'm on like a 3 win streak, I think, 3 day winning streak. But yeah, today was pretty decent. Let me just double check what news there were. Yeah, so there was nothing that's really gonna affect that. It's Trump speaking at 6:30 p.m., so that's fine. But yeah, let's get into it. So, bias for the day overall, I didn't really have one, but I did want to go long, and the reason why I wanted to go long was the firewall was in an uptrend. It came all the way up here, didn't take out these highs over here, so I was like, alright, cool. So it came down. It did inverse this fair value gap, but it filled in equilibrium. Now, when I saw that it inversed that fair value gap, I was like, alright, cool. So it might actually end up going down. But then the 1 hour broke structure to the upside and inversed this fair value gap, but it filled in this fair value gap. So I was stuck between long and short. But once we got into the day a bit more, and I saw that price actually, especially when I saw this move, when I saw that it was going down, I was like, all right, you know what, cool. Let's go short today. So I was more confident in going short after seeing that it was actually respecting this fair value gap, even though it inversed this, and we had this low here, this low here, and this low, which is probably gonna go end up taking out that. But yeah, so my bias did switch to bearish, but I did start off with wanting to go bullish, depending on whether, because if it did inverse this, then 100% bullish. But because it respected it, it started going down. Bearish. Asia session, we swept out this low right here, and we also swept out this high over here. So I was like, alright, cool. We could wait for a 5 minute sweep. Don't need to wait for an hourly or a session sweep. So once we got this 5 minute sweep, and the thing that made this even better was this fair value gap got respected. It only created wicks and then pushed past above it. So I was like, alright, cool, this is perfect. Broke structure to the downside, fair value gap got formed, filled in that fair value gap, and then on the 1 minute, we got this black candle. It was already in a downtrend, so I just waited for selling power out of it. So once we got that black candle, I was like, alright, cool. That bearish candle just made me enter basically. So once that bearish candle formed, I entered. Price came up to it, filled it a bit more, came down, and yeah, this is where it started consolidating. Now, this is the thing, you can tell when there's no news that will affect the market as much, especially when you see this. Like, look at this. It wasn't the best price action. It did keep going up, down, up, down, up, down. But then once we got on the 5 minute, here we go. Once I started seeing this what's it called, like black candle come down, push past, then I was like, alright, cool. Especially this one. Once we got this 5 minute reaches and it started coming low, I was like, alright, cool. So yeah, my break even point was this low over here, and then which is this 1 hour low, and then my full take profit was this Asia session low. My stop loss was at my stop loss was at second 1 minute low, second 1 minute high, which is over here. And yeah, so once price came to here, I went break even, and then we ended up going down and hitting full take profit, which is amazing. So yeah, overall good day. I feel great. I don't feel scared to trade anymore. When I see my strategy, I enter. And yeah, 3 day winning streak. Now I am expecting a loss now, so next trade I probably take will probably end up as a loss. So I am expecting it, but we'll see what happens. You never know. Maybe a 4 day win streak. But yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys next time I trade.